Whoa, Hoss. You can make it. Come on, come on, come on. That's a big hill. Look, did you see that way towards the road? Look at all that. It's a big hill, huh? We don't have no hills like this at our house, huh?
Thank you for watching up the hill with me.
You were hooking me on my hand?
So,
Okay.
I got it.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get it.
You're doing a fine job.
What?
What'd you find?
A tree.
You found a tree?
And a snowball.
It's a snowball. You go, hey, you threw it at me, little punk. You gonna throw some more at me? Hey, look how far up we are. We way up there, huh? We're at the top of the building over there. Wanna keep going?
No.
Huh?
I want to give you a snowball.
You gonna give me a snowball?
Yes, Steven.
Thank you.
Did you know it's in a snow?
Huh?
Let's make a snowman.
I don't know if there's enough snow to make this snowman. Let's go over here and see what they got. Whoa. You're watching rock.
We're up at the top. There's snowballs, no. They're like stars. So you can walk on them.
See that big old rock? That big old rock. You see that big old rock? Right there.
Ew,
That's
big old rock.
That's a big old rock. You okay?
I'm gonna keep trying things.
You're doing a good job. That
What
snow's falling off the trees. You see all of it falling? Look over here. See how it's falling off the trees, Tater? Looks like it's... Huh?
I just got some off that tree.
Here, let's put your hat back on.